Here's one you're not going to see every day. I think this is the first one of these I've done a video on here in the past 8 to 10 years. 1984. Four-eyed Fox body. So Mustang GT 5-liter underneath the hood, the thing that makes this car rather special. A little rare. It's right there, T-tops. It's believed in 84 that there was 624, I believe it is, T-tops. Color on this car, medium canyon red. Now, a little story of this car. This car spent the majority of its life, up till the late, well, all of its life up till the late 90s in California. So it's a solid body on this car. You'll be able to check out the underside pictures. I'll tell you where to check those out in a bit here. Somewhat sun-baked as far as the paint goes. So the paint, you can see, it shows its age. We have a dinger here. Rub strip showing the yellow through, a little crack in the front fascia. But overall, as far as metal, this car appears to be in very nice shape. And again, majority of its life, up into the mid to late 90s. The majority of its miles all put on in California. Then it came to the Midwest, where it was driven approximately 20 to 30,000 miles in the summer. So this car hasn't seen a lot of inclement weather, if any. Now again, it does show its age from sitting out in the sun, but at the same time, this is an 84 GT Fox body Mustang with T-tops. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, the interior, engine bay, runs and drives fine. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the pics. And of course, feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Don't expect this one to last too long. Be a perfect candidate to restore and bring back to its original glory. I believe this color would have been considered medium canyon red. Riding on a little later model pony wheel there, obviously. 5-speed manual in this car behind that 5-liter GT engine. Interior, actually, as far as seats, carpeting, dash, quite nice in this car. The rear carpeting in the hatch does show its wear also. And again, here you can see where it's kind of been sun-baked, California. There is also an extra T-top in the rear of this, some extra spare parts, and you can see those in the still pictures. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we do assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Car sounds good, runs strong. We'll start it up so you can hear it in a bit. And it appears that everything is here. It has the kind of sun shade or security shade that would pull out in the hatch part of it. The seats do fold down in the rear. And again, still pictures. Check out the underside of this car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Kind of has the charcoal gray and silver cloth interior to it. Let's go ahead and check this out. Now, some of the things I played around with on the inside, wipers do work, fan does work. Originally AC car. Seems that everything, as far as components, looks like everything is there. Have not had the compressor kicking on and off, and it looks like it has been converted from R12. So, door panels look stock. You can see it was a power lock car down there. Also power windows. These seats, I'm guessing, were probably recovered along the way somewhere. This comes across looking a little more green in some of the pictures and videos, but it's kind of a silver gray with the dark charcoal, if that makes sense. And you can see the underside of the door pictures and the still pictures. But again, you know, there's going to be a place where you're going to see a lot of rust is down along that door sill, underneath the doors. There's no rust. And I've looked close at this car. I think it probably is original paint. That's why it's showing its age so much from being out in the sun. So let's go ahead and start this up. Another thing you don't always see is the center console's intact. Lots of times that broke. As far as that lid on the center console. Alright. stock 84 dash. Now I notice the fuel gauge goes up, but the fuel light is actually on down, the warning light down below. Clock works. Aftermarket stereo put in. Tachometer works. Looks like oil pressure, amp gauge. That all works there. And again, dash surprisingly very nice shape, not all cracked either. You can hear a nice sounding engine, healthy. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Door closes nicely. Little rumble coming out of that 5.0. Alright, what I'm going to do is slip around to the front. I want to pop this hood so you can check out the engine bay, and let's take a peek at that. See how it looks. Alright, hood popped. And 5-liter 4-barrel high output V8. Here's what I was talking about. It appears that the AC has been updated. Car now has headers on it. Power steering, power brakes. Smooth running engine. Yeah, it does not appear, a lot of surface rust or real rusty in the things that you typically see from a car that's been in the Midwest its entire life. Original California car here, clean Carfax, does not show any accidents. Which confirms the time it spent in California. Good project to take to the next level, unless you want to drive it the way it is. Either way, 1984 Fox body Mustang, T-top car. Medium Canyon Red. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. We can assist with the transportation. Financing is available. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.